Hello, my name is Abu Fahad, intern at Thesparkfoundation, Foundation, best week July 2022. This is my first task on data science and business analytics topic. The objective of the first task is that predict the percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. And the question is that what will be the predicted score if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So here we go. First we import our necessary libraries, then we load our CSV file like this, first first 5 rows. Then we can see the shape, info and descriptive statistics in our data. There is 25 rows and 2 columns. Hour is a float data type and score is a integer type, and there is a mean, median and max descriptive statistics. Then we do our visualize with scatter plot. We can see the data are almost linear. The correlation is 0.976. That means strongly correlated because it's almost near to 1. Then we create our feature and target x and y, and then we split our data set to train and test. Then as it have the dependent and one independent variable, so we do it with linear regression. From sklearn we import linear regression, then feed our train data set, and then predict the x test. And last we evaluate our model. As it is a linear regression problem, so we can find here the mean absolute error or mean squared error. Then we do it mean squared error, y test, y pred, and squared false. Squared false means not mean squared error only, it's a root mean squared error. Okay, the root mean squared error value is 5.15. We can say the lower value of the RMS is better to predict the value. And the last we create a slope of the regression line, and the last we create a data frame, the actual and the predicted value. And the last question, what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. Then we predict the 9.25 and the value is 91.5. That means 92% marks. That means we can say if a student studies 9.25 hours per day, he or she will get 92% marks. Thank you.